Welcome to Shelving and Locating Books. You should have two worksheets in front of you to use as reference. As we begin, we will learn how to shelve books and locate them through the Library of Congress classification system. Let us begin with call numbers. Call numbers are like a book's address. It tells us where the book is located within the library. No two books have the same call number. They are organized in a system of letters and numbers, as you can see to the right. LC 3501 or QL 737. Usually, they will be presented in a vertical fashion like the examples on the right. Sometimes, however, they will be presented horizontally like the call number at the bottom of the page. Understanding call numbers. Please direct your attention to the graph on the right. Line number 1 represents the subject of the book, and it is organized alphabetically. Line number 2 is read as a whole number, numerically. So 456 would come before 457 and after 455. Lines number 3 and 4 are called cutter numbers for reasons that we do not need to understand right now. These are read alphabetically and as decimal. So A will come before B, of course. A43 would come after A4 and before A45. Line number 5 is the date of publication, and these are read chronologically, which means, of course, that 1993 comes after 1992 and before 1994. Sometimes there are extra lines, lines 6 and 7. Some books may also contain volume or copy numbers. These should be read as numerical whole numbers. One concept which it is important to be familiar with is the concept of nothing comes before something. A book without a copy number comes before a book with a copy number. A book without a date comes before a book with a date. So, PN 58 S7 1988 comes before PN 58 S7 1988 copy 2. PS 154 volume 3 comes before PS 154 volume 3 1999. So let's practice. Here's an easy practice question for you. These are the books from the picture on slide 2. They are out of order. What order should they be in and why? You can pause the video here if you like to try and work it out for yourself, because I'm about to give you the answer. Here is the answer. People and Places comes first because GN comes before all the other letters alphabetically. Plato's Republic comes next alphabetically. Teacher is the third book because L comes after G and J. Then alphabetically, Gardner's Art Through the Ages comes next and Gorillas in the Mist comes last. So the books should read GN, JC, LC, N, and QL. Here's another easy practice question for you. Are these call numbers in the right order? If not, in what order should they be in? Again, you can pause the video here to answer for yourself. The answer is that the green book should come first because it has no date at the bottom. Remember, nothing comes before something. Let's try some advanced practice. Are these call numbers in the right order? If not, in what order should they be? Again, you can pause the video here to work it out for yourself. The answer is they are in the correct order. The only part of the call numbers which is different is line number 2. 197.52 comes before 197.6, which comes before 197.649 decimally, and 197.68 comes last. If you would like additional practice, please refer to your handout. There are several questions there for advanced practice. Also, you can refer to the link on this page that will direct you to Wilmington University's library tutorials. There you will find some excellent tutorials to help you in your learning of the Library of Congress classification system. Take as much time as you need to work through additional practices, because in the next hour, you will be tested on your knowledge. Good luck!